Hi, how you doing? My name's Robert Morris, and we just started a new business called R&A Auto Repair. It's located at 607 Gotham Street, Watertown, New York, 13601. Phone number is 315-294-4705. Now we're only charging $50 labor cost plus parts. If you want to bring your own parts, that's good and fine. If you want us to get the parts for you, we'll get the parts. No problem. Either way. It don't matter. There's no big deal. Okay. Anyway, here's a card. Here's a business card. I'll let you read that for a little bit. Hold it in place, so you know where we are and where we're located. And I'll cut to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Now, anyway, what happened was I took my car in the shop, and I was told an estimate of $837 to have my muffler fixed and to have my bearings fixed. Both front bearings on my 2005 Chevy Trailblazer. And I go, that's ridiculous. I can't pay for that. You know what it cost me? Grand total of only $225. Check that out, huh? Check that out. Isn't that a big savings? I mean, you like to have extra money. I like to have extra money. I don't like to spend a whole bunch of money on repairs and cars. It's getting ridiculous. It almost makes you want to get rid of a vehicle. Well, you ain't got to get rid of a vehicle anymore. You come to R&A Auto Repair and we'll take care of your problems at a lot cheaper cost. $50. Only $50 labor cost. Come to us. We'll take care of you. Oh, love you. Bye-bye.